Hi everyone, so we will be discussing about resume parsing in this set of discussions we will be having, and then this is one of the areas which is finding wide acceptance throughout the industry, as it is optimizing the hiring process by reducing the time it takes to scan through 100 of resumes and finding out the relevant ones that match the particular job description set by an organization. Now, keeping this in mind, it is to note that a resume parser should be good enough to read any format in which the CV file is coming, right? It could be a PDF, it could be a Word document, right? And for that, we have certain libraries which we will be walking through in the next set of slides. But before that, the important library that is providing a robust functionality of matching the keywords from a CV and taking them out based on certain criteria, certain rules that we are setting. Like as you can see, rule-based matching and phrase matching. So it is called Spacey, and we would be extensively using this library for our resume parsing exercise. But before we do that, we need to read resume, right? Now, to effectively read resume and to correctly read resume, it is very critical, right? Before we do any further processing on Spacey. So we will quickly discuss what are the options that are available to us. So as you can see, I am extracting text from PDF files for demonstration. So I am mentioning three utilities that are available, that are good actually in extracting, with Apache Tika as on top, because I have seen success rate of Apache Tika on different type of resumes, be it a different structure or different type of file, while I have also ranked PDF Lumber and PDF Miner, and we will be discussing about them also. But in this discussion, we would be taking advantage of Apache Tika to read our PDF file. So let me quickly show the detail that I have on Apache Tika, just an overview. So it's a Java based open source project, and we need to have a Java runtime installation on our system to run it properly, and there is a Python binding available already for this, and we would be using that in our discussion. So let me take you to the code editor. So I've written few code lines over here, as you can see. So I have installed Tika already, and I'm doing the import of parser module over here. So it's just parser module, and I'm calling this method, this function, from file. So I have pointed it to a file location, which is nothing but my PDF resume file, right? So I'll quickly show what exactly this resume looks like. So I'll open this folder in Explorer. I'll go to resume 1, and it will open the CV. As you can see, this is the name of the candidate, the LinkedIn information, the GitHub information, the email, the phone number, and then education, experience, academic projects, skills, etc. So good amount of information that can be extracted, right? So we will quickly see how it is getting extracted as a string with the help of Tika library. So what I'm doing is, out of the parsed PDF, I am using the key as content to reveal the content that is being read, right? And then I'm printing that out as a string. So I'll quickly comment. That's fine, and we can check the type also, just to verify whether it's a string or not. So I'll run this thing, and let's wait for the output. So it's trying to call Apache Tika server. Let's wait for execution to complete. So as you can see, the complete CV is being read as a string, like with all those details we have seen. Thanks guys.